Hiya.
Hi there.
Hiya.
Hey there.
Liberty IT have helped me during the past 18 months of working from home by encouraging focus on physical and mental well-being.
Honestly, while it could have been a really tough time in terms of transitioning, I found that here at Liberty we did it so well.
While our working environments may be different, our culture has stayed the same, and I think that's testament to people who work in LIT.
Our committee did a great job of organising virtual Pilates and a walking challenge.
Sunflower growing competitions.
We had virtual happy hours, we did quizzes, we had
escape rooms, we've had beer brewing, we've had bakery.
LIT's got talent, LIT gets moving, and LIT gets cooking.
The pizza making, cocktail making classes.
All those cocktails were good.
We've had baking classes where I've made scones, pancakes, soda bread.
Yeah, the internal fitness league.
I've got my new Fitbit to record all my steps.
There's so much going on our Slack channels.
Every Thursday we have drinks and we just talk about anything.
And of course the random boxes being delivered every day by the postman.
I got sent out a lovely box of brownies from my unit. It even came with a handwritten note from my manager welcoming me to my unit.
The food vouchers we get for takeaways would be fantastic, but especially online games nights on Thursday nights, playing with people across the company have been a lot of fun and fantastic.
You definitely get to know a lot more about your teammates in a game of Warzone than you do in a stand-up.
I've also really enjoyed having a nice little working from home station, but at the end of the day I'm encouraged to close the door, and that's really good. So
being able to get a home office set up like I have here, thanks to Liberty's help, has been a massive game changer.
Everything's sort of provided for you, anything you'd need.
So thank you, LIT.
thank you.
Yeah, thanks.